Running cars in the winter, kit cars. Well, this car has probably never been run in the winter. Turn my torch on. But I would not like to take that out on salty roads in the winter, and you get all the salt water seeping into there, getting under the lacquer. You want to run your kit cars in the winter? You run your kit cars in the winter. It's not for me. So, I've managed to get it apart. Let's see what it's like inside. There's a little bit of corrosion ingress there. And on the other side, around here, get a screwdriver. Around here, all the dirt and everything. The split rims, it's all gone round there. The sealant. There's the split rim seal. Take that off. The actual channel is still looking pretty good. The sealing channel, but let's see what's happening. Now, I'm not running winter. Right, there we go. That's that last back wheel separated. This car's done 5,000 miles. I don't think any of it was in the winter. Looking at the aluminium on the rest of the car, there's no significant corrosion, but these split rims are a right fester point for corrosion. Car is about 14 years old, but 5,000 miles, garaged all the time, and we're having a full rebuild on all four wheels.